an urgent submission to make,
Yes,
Your Honor,
sent
in
me an
this
email
matter.
of 161 pages yesterday in the night. I could not take and when I tried to take the printout, they were not coming properly. Ask him to share the physical, the hard copy of the same, my lords, one. And this petition is regarding maintenance. I don't know what objections he has, but I'm able to understand what he wants to have from this court. He has filed an appeal for a stay. Now, and my one humble submission, my lord, if you-
On first point, whatever emails you have sent, according to him, he is not able, it's not legible, he is not able to download. Give them a physical copy, number one.
Surely, Your Honor, like, they can take the copy. As far as the email is concerned, Your Honor, there is the exact emergency. What I was just mentioning about is, Your Honor, there are certain things which are maliciously being uh, done by there are acts done by the petitioner wife, which I humbly wish to bring before the court, Your Honor. First thing, with context to the copies, Your Honor, I would surely supply them after. It is very clear. I can even
Their
show.
petition or your petition?
It's
made
their
one
petition,
submission,
Your
my
Honor. I am the respondent. But, Your Honor, even in the trial court, there are certain things which need to be considered before.
No, that would be considered on the, while considering this writ petition, is it not?
Yes, Your Honor.
No, for considering that writ petition, the emails that you have sent to him are relevant or not?
Your Honor, it is about the email. What I have sent him is the IA number 2, which is an injunction.
Is it relevant or not?
It is, it is relevant.
It is relevant.
It
If
is
it is relevant, give him a copy. Then he has a right, he has to look at those documents which you are relying on. Unless and until he goes to the documents, how can he make, he has to get instructions from his client.
Your Honor, just one humble submission. It is not pertaining to what I've submitted yesterday, Your Honor. I traveled from Mumbai actually. So from there, I had reached the court.
So then we can do one
But-
thing. If you do not want to rely on them, we'll proceed with the matter. If you want to rely on them, give a copy, then it has to be adjourned.
Your Honor, there is only one thing, Your Honor, in the main petition, if it is looked in the main petition, Your Honor, not if
And
it
what the
is.
court is saying.
I do understand, Your Honor. I'm not relying for just today's. There is an urgency, Your Honor.
Nothing like today's hearing. It is a writ petition arising out of an interlocutory application. Now the court, if hears the entire matter at a stretch. Now, if you want to again rely on those emails, it has to be served on him. If you say that that's not relevant, we'll proceed with the hearing. And if you say it is relevant, it's only one step, no 1, 2, 3, 4. No, both of you are here at one step, it has to go.
Your Honor, presently, there is only one affidavit, Your Honor, which is in question, where, Your Honor, the opposite party has created two identities, Your Honor. There is one Tisha Jain, who is not my daughter, Your Honor. There is an order in the family court impugned for that which they have come here to this court. Tisha Jain is not my daughter, Your Honor. My daughter is my only legitimate daughter, and for whom I am the biological father is Anika Ashish Agarwal, Your Honor. There is a mischievous affidavit which has been made by them, and on basis of that, they have secured an Aadhaar card. They have admitted the child in a school by the name of Tisha Jain, and in the admission form also there is no such.
So what is the impugned order before this court?
It is for the maintenance to the minor whose name is Anika Ashish Agarwal and who is my legitimate daughter, Your Honor.
So the scope of this petition is only to that extent. Whether the maintenance that is granted by the trial court is right or wrong is the only thing we'll decide. Now, with regard to some other lady, some other girl, which is not your daughter, and all those things are part of the trial court, the matter that is pending before the court. There you have to raise all those grounds.
But Your Honor, the order itself had that defect which I had objected there, but due to they had, Your Honor, pleaded for an emergency date of four days in which I could not present myself, and that day the order was impugned.
To the order.
may I make one submission, my lord? First, he filed a petition for divorce in Bombay. It was transferred here. And then he appeared, then the matter, he did not proceed with the matter seriously. He comes and only speaks about the matters, my lord. Thereafter, he has filed one writ petition, again in the Thana court, that the child's name is different. So he doesn't want to pay the maintenance. He doesn't do that. Then he files one more suit for recovery of money against me. That again in Thana.
No,
His
no,
intention is-
whether the couple
Your-
have
if your
one
lordship-
daughter or two
my-
daughters.
If your lordship can take the matter in chamber, Lord, your lordship can put a quietus to, today morning I spoke to my client also. She had come. She said, let the matter be mediated by the court, I will resolve.
No,
And
no,
I
the-
know
more than-
ordinary
more than,
mediator cannot.
No, more than the Bangalore mediation or the court mediation
No,
has gone.
In fact, I myself mediator, my lord, there is no difficulty. But the problem is, my lord, the mediation center cannot mediate this matter with this person. We have seen it. That's the reason I'm requesting.
You are
your
ready,
lordship,
you are
get
ready
in
to
the
settle
chambers.
the
I'll be very
dispute?
much obliged.
Your Honor,
Get the
I
clerk
am
also.
ready to settle the dispute, provided the identities are first clarified, Your Honor. Tisha Jain is not my daughter, Your Honor. I am Ashish Agarwal.
Pose this matter on 18th.
Your Honor,
Please wait,
4th of September is also fine with me. If
but court should be fine. There must be a date on that day. 4th is there any matter? No matter. Pose this matter on 4th September in chambers for conciliation.
oh,
Both the parties shall be present at
Parties
5
to be
o'clock.
present,
only.
madam.
Huh?
Parties to be present.
Parties at the 5 o'clock. Come at 5 o'clock.
Sure.
In chamber.
chamber, Your Honor, is it possible for tomorrow, Your Honor? Because I have to travel from Mumbai, Your Honor. That
Tomorrow the court is not sitting. Court.
4th,
Or if you, Friday? Friday any matter is
Your
there.
Honor, 4th.
Friday? No matter. Then Friday. Friday you're here?
Friday is 30th. Your Honor, if 4th or 5th, I'll be present. 4th would be okay, Your Honor.
4th.
I'll come back.
4th, 5 o'clock in the chambers.
4th, 5 o'clock.
Till number 20.
Please understand and settle the issue. Your life would be around, going
am-
around the courts.
Your Honor, I am, once the files are observed, Your Honor, everything would be clear that who is correct and what,
Oh,
Your Honor.
Don't go into all these issues. Ultimately, that's a
I am,
divorce and about the daughter.
yes,
Those issues come up with open mind. Don't go into all these technical issues, that and this. If you want to settle and be happy, come out.
I am very much
Yes, please,
ready for the
please come on
settlement.
fourth, at 5 o'clock in the chambers. Yes,
Very
next.
obliged.
Till number 20.
20th matter, my lord.
The one we-
I may require to file one more affidavit because now what they are doing, my lord, they are touching my property and building their property. That is the schedule ahead.
Non-compliance of office
Yes,
objection.
my lord. My colleague explained to me yesterday evening why the officer was not sustained. That's the reason I said I will, I
Let's
have
see,
to,
what are
I'll
the
file one more
objections?
affidavit, my lord. A short date may be given, my lord.
Hmm?
I'll file one more affidavit.
The office objection shall be complied with.
That's what within a week I'll comply. my lord.
The causes matter on